Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Emily Scrignoli, and in this lesson you will learn 2 visual design tips that will help you create more effective learning materials. Our goal is to improve the learner experience by drawing their attention to the learning content. Let's begin with the overview. Tip number 1. Visuals should be simple and add meaning to the text. Tip number 2. Use directional devices to create focus. Let's take a look at this slide on stress eating. This slide contains 3 facts about stress eating. The icons added above each fact add no meaning to the text. They are purely decorative. In fact, they distract the learner from the information, causing the learner to think about their personal associations with the items, such as birthday cake. Tip number 1. Visuals should be simple and add meaning to the text. These 3 facts would be more digestible if they were spread out through 3 separate slides. Here, we see a pie chart that supports the text by providing more information on the types of foods that people crave when stressed. The chart has a clear purpose while also adding some color and visuals to the slide. In this example, the eye is drawn to the center where the title is placed. It reads, "The Solution to Stress Eating." The arrows create too much movement, leading the eye in completely different directions. This can create stress and visual overload for the learner. The learner isn't sure where to look next. Tip number 2. Use directional devices to create focus. Arrows are strong directional devices. Avoid using too many directional devices on one slide. Try organizing the information in a linear format with one arrow so that it is easier for the learner to digest and to know in what order they should read the text. Let's review the visual design tips that you learned about in this lesson. Visuals should be simple and add meaning to the text. When choosing imagery, ask yourself, does this help the learner better understand the information? If you answer no, consider leaving the image out. Use directional devices to create focus. Try to choose one directional device per slide, and make sure that device emphasizes the most important information on the slide. This information was modified from 233 tips on graphic and visual design by the Learning Guild and an article on stress eating from Harvard Health Publishing. I'm Emily Scrignoli. Thank you for watching.